Then Sri Fantin Joseph Lakadong. Then CWL Mynsong. And others. Ngabahayeng lang kita wiwan berkat baki. Okay. Talk boleh sebut.
But after elections, he's the most humble person that I've ever come across, a big-hearted person. This makes me think over and over again about these political leaders. We need these type of political leaders who are very humble to give everyone like love, understanding, and most of all, to welcome everyone. It's a big family, of course, but sometimes I wonder how they can handle. We have seen.
Bansang nakaway kejala, sakaway jala, banyak kenduk yaki. Tengah school, kaya ka decision ka mangisim. Kum ka kenhon, kum ka konstituensi, kadai ka decision ka babhan na mentau pai ba jo konstituensi. Kejingdon kini ke senior politician hakani ke parti ru kelapan klan lupa ya ke parti.
Kisni ke ba ko try ni ga scam kisni ke ba komen ka jinggerman hangi kandon ko pa lang
ngam lo garo mi kum kata ka jai ktin tin re nga ong ye pi menta haka jingelam jong ukonrat sangma haka jingelam jong ka parti NPP kan mau tangkawai kambe kala ka dei tangkawai lada don artli ka megala phila ban ong karu lada don artli ka megala phila ban ong khasi hanrei habadon kawai ka bamut tangkawai mla ban penpai ya kata
day that he has given to us. I was telling everybody yesterday also that this is truly a blessing from above. And I was also telling everybody that these kind of things cannot happen because of what we want or what we don't want. These are plans that are made above. And I truly believe that God Almighty had a plan to bring us all together, to be able to work together for a cause. To welcome Srimati Grace Mary Kharpuri, the executive member of the Khasi Hills District Council and the sitting MDC, and an entire team of leaders and workers who have come from different parts of the constituency to be part of this family of the National People's Party. Ma'am, I welcome you and your entire team to the National People's Party. I also take this wonderful opportunity to welcome Shri Fantin Joseph Lakadong, our MDC, and his entire team of workers and leaders, including Kong Jasmine, who's also here with us. Sir, I take this opportunity to thank you for believing in the National People's Party, and thank you for strengthening our team so that we can work together to serve the people of your constituency as well as of the state of Meghalaya. I also take this opportunity to welcome Shri Mynsong, who is the former MDC, and his entire team, all his leaders and all his workers from his constituency. Once again, I also, in his team, Shri Albertus Lapang has also come in, who is the working president of the Jirang Block Congress Committee and also the joint secretary of the Riboy District Congress Committee. I welcome Shri William Mynsong, Shri Albertus Lapang, and all the other leaders who have come here today to join the NPP family. So you are part of a team. You are part of a family. You may be just a simple worker of a polling station, yet you are important to us. We as a leadership believe that we must take everybody along. We as a leadership believe that in every decision we take, we must involve and consult everybody and do what is best in the best interest of the organization, in the best interest of the state, and not in the best interest of an individual or a person. And that is the kind of leadership that we would like to work and take this organization and our state forward. Today, the National People's Party is growing with God's blessing. And we're seeing the response in even states like Manipur. I don't want to be too optimistic here or tell you any big numbers, but you will see when the results come out. We have 4 MLAs right now, just 4 MLAs. I can assure you that we will cross the double-digit figures. How high the double-digit will go, only time will tell. But I am optimistic, yet at the same time a realistic person. But I know for sure that we will cross a double-digit number, which is a huge gain for us. It's 100% growth. More than 100% growth will be there. You will see on the day of the result. And even in Meghalaya, please do excuse me, I'm going to try. But in Meghalaya also, ka NPP kan job marwe ha ka election ka banwan. Ni don't come, ban try shiton. We have to work hard.